Hey, everybody. Just say, asem mpo de aye kese, asem na ye kese. Etiefo video no eno na eda mu screen so sisia no. Video of yankasa ye angel ba ko permission subscribe why na we ne sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Ebefi so sisia na. Okay, na eda screen so no. Video ene ya pause no. Of yankasa ye angel ba ko pe angel obinim ena trese woda empem no na MC video no obehu ne ye a wone wo ba bi ena wo ba ni now according to Kennedy Japan no wo ba no your friend Lavia ne nickname eye Akonoba the Kennedy Japan ka ene se wo ba we wo ye obinim ne girlfriend ni chuchu munchu a sebe wo de no efa nanum kakra. Now this is a video Kennedy Japan released of a year wobinim ene wobano clearly ubehu ne se wobinim dampaso na say wobano ni obinim no they are in a bedroom. Now I want to do an analysis on this particular video. I will be very frank as possible. Bebia ne kre edano ye de beto ho. In the very first place, ubehu ne se wobinim eshe shorts ena atare top ena say wadam pane so a otumu say phones too na ekra no say then I don't know, but I'm seeing say wo hwe bibi so wo mia phones so say then we don't say I don't know, initially me hu ye no na me fi say eye boxes ena na ehye no, but say na ya pause na sisi and I think say we don't hu say eye shorts. I don't know, maybe I mean na ABCV me, but whether it's boxer or shorts no, I think say clearly it is shorts and I will be in wash and I just wadam paniso na wabanan so eka. Now, in the very first place, if the Kennedy Japan air cano air ne correct say you say 100% true that na just say will be nim any wabano aye bibi. Na okay, sisi ano mo hu wabano nenim mo hwe wabano ne tiri hwi won say aye bushi say Kennedy Japan there just say the what kind of if it's anything to go by I don't want to say indeed the circumstances just say ebia eye ne crack say will be nim woni woba no wo mo ayo bibi because hwe ne tiri ne nyama woba said the work of my room there me kai embra me ya akola no na brothers bia wo mo nyi wo mo area de ye di hu ne say woba bi ewura wo mo room na trese sebe wo mo ni omo ayo bibi ene se oba ni pie oba ni remu ni yehu oba na ne tinhwi ebia eye smooth na ne tinhwi no bibi aye okay no oba ni pie na etinhwi no aye bushia na wa we hu say yes oba ne wo be ma no akodi empemu agro. The truth about this whole thing and say it doesn't look right for one a married man and a different lady aside that married man no mo ba ne TV no say na aye bushi no. One, the American say it doesn't look right for a married man it doesn't look right for a married man and a different lady aside that married man and the to be seen in a bedroom. Me say analysis here me ne kra nko baby a ne kra eda no ene ye de beto munche de make no it doesn't look right. So wa wutie me wa ware na oyere beba beto say woni wo ba foforo e wo bedroom wo ba no enda wo nchen kra na one obviously oyere ebe have some misunderstanding be normal. It doesn't look right in the first place. Two, the fact say we be nim eye sofo no, that even makes this particular thing worse. Muntie, yes, the truth is we've not seen Obinim pants down. Who ne say one name man and sorry or no ban and a damn pim. Even though Kennedy Japan a release video no story a Kennedy Japan they tie a tree and they say wabano na woni will be him and a damn paneso and a wabano a better nasa because when you call on your video call and I will know wabano a better na a chi. It's yen send the pakuna wabano and no air video call no and I wabano train the pakuna say mini will be him cry and a sheha made that will be him chain and at the pakuna car say oh boy and I say Annie and I say okay your camera and I mean her into and no who is here say wabano your camera no and I say that will be him so because wabano your video call or answer and I will catch the pakuna say well will be him and a daho and only will be him in the room go. It's according to Kennedy Japan na wabano and will be him and a damn paneso into kwa ne buy no and I will na baby a water now will receive corner. If that is the story or that is what we should go by, not as a Kennedy Japan air can so will be him crown or funny UH. May asama baby American and say it is no news. But would they be some member no more no? 90% of them in them more 90% of them better as a massa or munya or more from UH. Even Kennedy Japan ka say yenim say wa be pray e won the UH. So for that one we know say yes Kennedy Japan crown was fan the UH. But one thing they say pastors are the hope or are supposed to be the hope for society if things go bad. Inti and the crack was so for your nipa. Won't say the mechanic, and the crest also for your nipa. But we have high standards for them. You should say in Yamabi or what any crime said in Sofono were more happening. One thing they say another school of thought, but to me, I say, oh, if you will be in Clan one or Bano and Yashi or Bane GBB one or Wakeke, and I wouldn't know Abani room. That could be another school of thought because as far as you don't see them in the act, obviously, a copy or court and Bibia, you can't prove say Obini was having sex with the lady because you never saw them in the act. But you see, Amama Kai Masembia Mesofo Ekan was a way a sofo and a way a yaminipa. You need to set some standards for yourself because what people to me you should be they are saying within at any time, so don't give it a chance at all. When him say we suffer, now when him say we be to say when you baby a room and I ever say we church member be clean who say we ba we church member if you root them one. Ebia na we ba no ni nanko ye bibi o, but nipa ko be kasa nipa be kasa because osofo there when we ba no mo ye den e wo room ho. Muntie the American ye. Muntie the American ye. So we need to take precautionary measures in some things we do. In chatu so de wo in chatu so wo ade a wonya ye to me the tools so say why ye. But there won so wo ye ya wo de boa sa ade no eno so count it. Because as obi a wa worry a wo ye sofo there. By the saying that was to me ma wo baba room e den na wo be ye e wo room ho. Bibi say wo koyi wa no say den kra na nkrofo entie. In say mo amu tie me most of you will believe say indeed Obinim had something to do with this lady. But Ebia na wanye hwe. Ebia Obinim didn't even have anything to do with her. Ebia wo friend e ba keke ebia wo ba no wa asem bi. And I will be in Philly or person relax and I will throw a banner in the room say one brand back can send them trainer. It could be. It is a possibility. Oh, Jane Papa, no, I dream Bonnie so. Oh, Jane Bonnie, no, I dream Papa so. It is a possibility. It could be say Obinim even didn't touch the lady. But today, about Bontain, people believe say Obinim F and the UH. Me sure say Obinim ne yere class, Obinim ambo na mane. A Kennedy Japan e release a video yi. Me sure say Obinim yere class what is spin. Ohun ade we obeka say, "Hey, ni kunu de wo ye ni." And it has been on record. Say wo osofo no wafa wo yiri echida. Me asema de bia meka ne say wo bia we chiti e wo ne yiri so da no, wo betumi aye biom. So if it has indeed been on record say wafa wo yiri echida, you don't even have to entertain things like this. Say wo ma wo ba bi eba wo room. Baby a wo dada bi. You don't. Don't say they make any. You don't. And then I'll give an example here. The same thing I saw for a kind. Example be our mind. And I will now call from one female church member. Say one feeling fine no one bra. And I just say, we call female member the fee. And a female member the car say, or so for no one bra inside. Or so for the and I just say we'll buy inside though. And no car said that be uni bibi. O the imagine up on saying has say. Yena bra because senya na wo kasa se wo ho fa no me ba no senya wo ho ye o no enye serious to say senya wo kan so de pie bra bonte ne nkasa ena wo sofo ne ma wo ba ne pie ye e ba bonte oni oba ne bon komo mehu an se church member be ma bi abora fi ho nti e ho no sofo ne ka say it imagine says our church member no bora fie ho eno ohun say wosofo no okowura wo ba ne dem a wo piaba a wo hwa atare na oba ne hya wo no no se wo yare o won say emba omo wo ntare bi ye loose o hwa atare na oba ne hya to me say yes a loose ntare ni bi na ka den na church member ne beka enye osofo ne nyansan mu e na o ka say da bi yen kasa wa abonten a na ka church member no e ba afie wo hu se wo sofo no epie efi wo ba ni room a wo ba na addresses a etiefo mo amasum na ka den e na wo sofo no obeka because church member no ba no no so nim se wo ba no wonyare it na ko sofo no beka na nimu asem bia tre se enkosi aga. And this is a typical example. The ya katro obi nim ne say yes e two ways. It has said yeah, even if a yanekre say one no banada, a no ane ho. Obi ani wa wone no wasem, so obi ben ene no be wasem a e no ne nyankopon ana wono ene ne yere. It's not a problem. But as a beacon in the society, as obi angrofo hu say we ye Christoni no. Won say enyama bi wo ho a eni kwan say opene emanisi. Etietiefo, mon che mo adwen e wo comment box ni. That's it.